Hello, I'm Max Young. After a period of research, I finally finished this machine, and the debugging is also successful. Let's take a look at the printing effect. This is a 3D sugar painting printer. A flat sugar painting takes about 1 minute. The 3-dimensional one is a little slower, about less than half an hour. This machine is equipped with a high-velocity blowing material module. These are true 7530 turbo fans, which has a great heat dissipation effect. Let's talk about this extruder in detail. It also uses a square feeder, but different from the clay extruder. Clay is a water-soluble material, so it doesn't need heating during printing. But Motos is a thermoplastic material. It needs to be heated to about 115 degrees, so the extruder needs to be equipped with heating rods. To improve heating efficiency, it is equipped with true heating rods of 220 volts, because other components use 12 volts. So the heating module needs a solid-state relay, because it involves a relatively high voltage. So electrical safety should be the first priority. The solid-state relay is recommended to be purchased to buy from Chuang FA Mall. The mall has a rich selection of mechanical and electrical products, and the price is affordable. First, enter the official website, search for solid-state relays. Then you can see this SS10DA model. The product information is particularly detailed. Performance parameters and dimensions are all explained. There are also 3-dimensional models for download. By the way, there is a low-price hot selling area. There is also a free sample activity for guide shafts. The wiring of the heating module is also very simple. Here, a 4-inch wire quick connector and 2 output quick wiring terminal. 2 wires of the heating rod are connected in parallel and connect them to the 4 wiring holes above. The 2 interfaces below, one is connected to the solid-state relay and the other to the 220-volt power. The other 2 wires of the solid-state relay are connected to the hot end interface of the motherboard. I believe those who have been to the friends who have been to the TCD 3D printing exhibition have basically seen this sugar painting machine, and maybe even tried their sugar painting. This is also the prototype of this device. I modified it with their extruder. It used to be a triangular shaft structure. I changed it to an A3 structure, which improved the space utilization a lot, and there are no protruding parts. It's easier to pack and transport. The printing stroke has also been extended. The main improvement is in the Z-axis, because the original model mainly printing flat heat transfer print. The Z-axis space was not used much, so the stroke is only 50 mm. To print more shapes, I changed it to 220 mm. Of course, if you still want to print only flat images, just shorten the Z-axis, which can also save some cost. The extruder uses a CNC part, which is very stable. Other metal parts are also made of stainless steel plates. The aluminum profile frame is also very stable. The 3 axes also use linear rails. The motherboard is a Legion motherboard. It's easy to operate, and no need to flash firmware. Just change a few basic parameters. With this machine, the playability will be greatly improved. The extruder can reach food-grade standards, so you can eat the sugar painting you make with confidence. Chocolate is not a problem either. Such a sugar painting 3D printer. Do you like it? I'm Young, follow me, and I'll show you some fun things.